This is the ORICO H7013-US3. It's a 7-port USB 3 hub. It will expand the number of USB ports in your computer in a very elegant way with 7 available USB 3 ports. The box includes the hub, a USB 3 Type A cable, a power to USB cable, and the manuals, the welcome card, warranty information written in English and Chinese. Here we have the USB to USB Type A cable and the USB to power cable. The hub itself is very lightweight. In the top you will see the blue colored 7 USB 3 ports. This hub is perfect for those situations when you need to use more than one USB device, such as connecting more than one flash drive or syncing your iPhone and tablet at the same time. In one end you will see the power in and the USB in the other. So let's say I want to connect my external hard drive and external SSD, 3 flash drives. I'm using 3 USB 3 flash drives in this case, and sync my iPhone at the same time. There's no way I can do that with the 2 USB ports available in my computer. So I connect the cables to the power in and the USB in to the wall and the computer respectively, and now I can easily connect up to 7 USB devices, as you can see in this image. What about speed? In this test, I see the USB 3 speeds confirmed using this hub, and I can even charge my iPhone using just the USB cable.